Alright, so let me ask you something wild. Have you ever thought about gravity as if it were like a startup idea? Yeah, I know. It sounds totally ridiculous at first, but stay with me. We're so used to gravity, right? It's like that friend you've known forever, so much so that you don't even notice them anymore. But what if it wasn't always there? What if, in the vast expanse of the cosmic playground, gravity was pitched, like an idea, to bring order to utter chaos? Crazy, right? Let's unpack this. Hey there! If you're new here, welcome to the Hyperfocus channel, where deep dives are our jam. I'm Olympia, your physicist friend who turns all that mind-bending complexity of the universe into fun coffee conversation. Because, seriously, physics can be fun. And hey, to all of you coming back, hi again, my amazing Hyperfocus family. You guys are the reason I do this. Alright, grab a comfy seat, maybe your favorite beverage, and let's shake up how we think about gravity. Alright, so picture this. It's the early universe, brand new baby cosmos, completely wild and chaotic. Particles zipping around faster than toddlers on a sugar high, no rules, just vibes. And then, bam! Gravity shows up. The absolute control freak of the party. Now suddenly, you've got clusters of gas pulling together, stars igniting, planets forming. This one force, which by the way, is the weakest of the fundamental forces. We're talking the weakling of the bunch. Just took the universe from absolute anarchy to something that starts to look like, a tad more organized chaos. It's like suddenly everyone at this intergalactic rave decides, wait, maybe we should synchronize our dance moves. And you know what's wild? Gravity isn't even that straightforward. Most of us learned in school about Isaac Newton, the falling apple guy, right? And his whole force between two masses proportional to their weight and the distance between them thing. Simple. Done. We get it. But then Einstein completely flips the script. He's like, nah, guys. Gravity isn't just some invisible string pulling things together. It's space-time itself, warping under the weight of mass. You know that feeling when you sit in one of those bouncy beanbag chairs and it kinda sinks under you? That's space-time when a planet, star, or you just plop right into it. Mind blown, right? Okay, here's where things just get bananas. Einstein's equations basically describe space-time as this flexible, stretchy geometric fabric. And if there's one thing this fabric doesn't like, it's staying flat. Throw something heavy into the mix, a star, a black hole, whatever, and space-time goes, hold up, I gotta make room for that. So the paths that objects take near those distortions, that's what we feel as gravity. Boom. Now imagine, what if this was pitched in a boardroom? All right, folks, we've got a problem. The particles of the universe are just zooming around, doing their own thing. No collaboration, zero chill. Introducing Gravity, TM. It's gonna bring everybody together, create stellar systems, galaxies, life itself. And the best part? It self-manages over time. You don't even have to touch it once it's rolling. Honestly, best cosmic Kickstarter idea ever. I'm seeing t-shirts that say, I invested in gravity before it was cool. But now, let's dial it up even more. Did you know gravity has a dark side? Yeah! We're living in a universe where gravity still operates as an enigma, like behind-the-scenes villain vibes. For instance, black holes? Oh, those energy-sucking monsters. They're not even holes. They're just regions where gravity's gone completely bonkers. The warping is so extreme, not even light can escape. So, effectively, gravity's like, LOL, not today, photon. Then we've got gravitational waves, these faint ripples in space-time caused by nothing less than, well, stuff on the scale of colliding neutron stars or black hole mergers. These waves are ridiculously hard to detect. LIGO, the detector we use, is extreme tech. It's measuring shifts in length smaller than a fraction of a proton. I mean, come on, how insane is that? But here's what really turns your brain inside out. Gravity is still breaking rules. We cannot fully reconcile it with quantum mechanics, the other major theory that governs pretty much everything but gravity. It's like trying to run two different operating systems on the same computer. They refuse to talk to each other. The smallest building blocks of the universe, quarks, leptons, cute little quantum weirdos doing their thing. They behave like gravity simply doesn't apply. Meanwhile, gravity's over here making massive galaxies spiral, worlds within worlds. Yet, we know gravity plays a key role even when it misbehaves. Ever heard of dark matter? Roughly 27% of the universe apparently consists of this mysterious, invisible stuff. And what's our main clue it even exists? Oh, you guessed it. Gravity. Galaxies would be flinging themselves apart without it. It's the deep hug keeping the cosmic family tight. And dark energy, the thing accelerating the expansion of the universe that takes up like 68% of everything? We theorize its existence because gravity doesn't quite seem to behave at super large scales as we expect. Gravity, you trickster genius. Let's zoom out for a second. Why is gravity even fundamentally possible? I mean, think about it. Why do masses attract instead of, I don't know, repel? Does it blow anyone else's mind that this force operates all around us, impacting every single moment of our lives, yet we can't touch it, see it, or completely understand it? Even with Einstein, even with LIGO, even with all our brain power funneled into fancy math, we're playing cosmic detective in the dark. And here's something fun to consider. Imagine, for a second, discovering an entirely different universe, one where gravity works differently. Whoa, like reverse gravity, where masses push apart instead of being drawn together, or localized gravity pockets that only work in specific zones. Today's sci-fi could be tomorrow's, oh duh. Who's to say other universes haven't pitched their own funky versions of Gravity v.2.0? So okay, bringing it back to this universe. Our universe. Here's why I think gravity wins the award for the most mind-blowingly fascinating force ever. Because it's deceptively simple. It hides in plain sight, shaping every single aspect of life, space, and time itself, all with a demeanor calm as a monk, yet dictatorial enough to spawn stars, galaxies, and black holes. Respect. But now I want to hear from you. When you think about gravity in this way, not just a scientific principle, but like the universe's organizational CEO, how does it change your perception? Or does it? And hey, if something's still bending your brain, drop those questions in the comments. I'm here for it. So, if you're as hyped about breaking down these insane intergalactic puzzles as I am, hit that like button, share this video, because trust me, cosmic curiosity grows best when shared, and subscribe to keep geeking out with me every week. I mean it, friends. Hyperfocus thrives on your support. Until next time, keep questioning, keep wondering, and maybe, just maybe, imagine the world a tiny bit differently. Stay curious out there. See you soon.